Back now on Triad today, time to talk about a big event that's coming up with three guys that know all about it and great community servants. They, all friends of ours. On the right, Dr. McNeil Cronin. He is vice president, going to be president. He's president, going to be vice president. We're not sure. He's going to hold a position for the Down Syndrome Association of Greater Winston-Salem. No, he always heads up all these great efforts. And David Daggett and Griff Shuler, back behind us from Daggett Shuler, attorneys at law. Good to see you guys.
Thanks, Jim.
Thanks for having us.
Doc, let me start with you. Remind everybody what the association is all about and what your mission is.
So the Down Syndrome Association of Greater Winston-Salem is a local nonprofit association. Its main mission is to support and educate and provide information and resources to individuals in our community with Down syndrome and to their families. And that support starts at birth or sometimes even before birth to the families, and it goes all throughout the individuals with Down syndrome's lives. And it's meant in its simplest form to help these individuals reach their fullest potential within our community.
Right, and a great service to parents, and I just think what you're doing is great. Now, something that's also great is this big event that's coming up. I want you to tell me what it is, when it is, and what we're going to see.
So this is our inaugural Starlight Gala, hosted by the Down Syndrome Association of Greater Winston-Salem. It's the Starlight Gala, shining a light on abilities. And it's May 7th. It's at the Millennium Center at 7 o'clock. You can get tickets to this event at our website, DSAGWS.org. And what this is it's a celebration of acceptance and inclusion of all abilities in our community. So if that's something that you out there in the community believe in, if you believe in accepting and including people that are different from you and celebrating those differences, then this would be a great event for you. And we've got great guest speakers, we've got great entertainment. Again, it's at the Millennium Center.
Have some music.
We got some music, some dancing, some dinner, some drinks, and it's a chance for our members, again, we've never done this before, to get dressed up, for our individuals with Down syndrome to feel like princes and princesses for that night.
Right.
And so it's something that our association is very, very excited about.
Because we know that you do a lot of outdoor events and things like that, and that brings me to these guys who support all these things that you do. David, the gala is not the only Down syndrome event that you guys have been involved with. Why all this support?
Well, McNeil, or Dr. Cronin, almost made me started crying as he was talking about that. I was sitting back here tearing up. It's interesting. McNeil's embedded in that community because he has a daughter with Down syndrome. My favorite cousin, who has since passed away, had Down syndrome. So I grew up with that. But I put a different twist on it than McNeil does. He talks about acceptance and inclusion of the people with the differences in the people with Down syndrome. And I'm getting goosebumps right now, the acceptance and inclusion they show us is a beautiful example for society, particularly during these crazy times.
Right.
And if you want to forget all of this political haggling, all the craziness in society, go to the Starlight Gala, because all of that is gone, and it's an evening of love. The Down syndrome community gives you love like you've never seen.
Yeah, Griff, why should the entire community support this? I know that you and David have been active.
Well, I wanted to pick up on what David said, is the concept of love. Every event that the Winston-Salem Down Syndrome Association puts forth, you go, you just feel the love. You just feel the acceptance, but the love between the families, the opportunity to have networking. I mean, it's really such an example of a community that's a close-knit and loves each other, and that is inspiring.
And I want to mention this one more time before time runs out. The Starlight Gala, Saturday, May 7th, Millennium Center, the website, DSAGWS.org, which McNeil mentioned. And if you need the services of these two gentlemen and these fine two guys behind me, you can go to DaggettShulerLaw.com or call 724-1234. Guys, I appreciate all you're doing, and thanks for your community service, and we'll see you at the Starlight Gala.
Yep, thanks for being with us, McNeil.
My pleasure. Thank you.
We'll be right back after this.
Let GTCC help you take your next career step. Guilford Technical Community College. Make amazing happen.